Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the wardrobe design ideas because when it comes to designing a wardrobe there is lot of consider from space planning and functionality to aesthetic. You will need to consider what lighting to choose, where to position the mirror and choosing cabinetry is very much related to the style and color palette of your home. Choose a color that they are more likely to feel comfortable with a long while. Cabinetry is significant investment and generally the people's suggest matching or relating cabinetry classic look. Of course, the choice of cabinetry made from natural material such as a timber or synthetic material such as a laminate may in part be determined by what you can afford as well. In the rest of your house, timber can become very expensive in comparison to using laminate. However, your wardrobe really needs to complement the rest of your bedroom. So if you have gone for very high and look high end finishes, it's best follow through and complete the look, especially cabinetry and bedroom are visible. This choice also goes back to keeping your cabinetry with the style of the rest of your house. If your house has more of a contemporary look, the handles are not really required. Just go for soft and push doors and drawers. If your home is more classic feel, then choosing a great handle real should it's not with always safe. If you want to be added touch of femininity and the finishes of with crystal handles, there are some fantastic designs. LED lighting or sensor is best. Says hard this can help save on energy cost and this kind of lighting does not emit much heat. It's well suited to narrow spaces. Explain the choice of vertical horizontal strip lightnings may be determined by the space available. If space maximizing issue, the height of drawers and shelves, this means the vertical strip lighting will give more constant. The horizontal strip lighting which will allow self and rope heights. Randall suggests warm lighting in best view in the clothes. This way you get true color of the clothing and it's lot of softer on the eyes. It's also help with maintaining the longevity of clothes and other items. If the light so it's so strong it can damage the clothings over the time, discoloring the sometimes even burn marks he says. Lightning not only need be functional for accessories, a wardrobe and viewing the items, but the placement of lights can help create mood or feel in the space. Recessed lighting provides a lovely moody effect for walking through ensures and quiet to trends have your closest area backfit to give the illumination. However, adds the more classic timeless look, having lights built into a black hat along the top of bed pretty and safe way go to. Mirrors like lightning also serve dual purpose by ending you to check your outfit before leaving the house as well in hatching visual space. So where should the mirror to be positioned? It's be to place a mirror at the end of the closet and full length mirror. This creates the illumination of space and of course practical when getting ready. While the choice of whatever have doors is often up to personal preferences, it may also be dictated and budget. Space and style for heart. Cabinet doors are so pro. Appearance you like. They are convenient for clothes such as formal wear and etc. Closest doors to the overall cost by least small areas because the effective became and install the doors is just section of get benefit both having them not having. The on benefit having the doors in that you can hide any unwanted mess, but of course I would not condone that. I say personally think that if your wardrobes are left open with doors, I feel more luxurious and especially if you have high and end finishes